Yo, check it out. Cracking open the P case right here on
Hot Wheels Collector's Hoy.
All right, so if you like our videos, subscribe and hit the like button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you can get brand new videos as we produce them and put them out. Okay, so let's just get into it because I want to bust that Bugatti open.
So the last case we opened up, we got the Super in there.
I know, it's a nice paint job, but that's an ugly Super.
Yeah, actually, of course, we filmed that a while ago. We just put it on hold.
Yeah.
One of the comments was, "It is ugly."
It's it's like, who the hell thought, like, hey, I have an idea. Why don't we make the Super Chase a real ugly car? So nobody chases it.
So that was Fireman. He said, yeah, it is an ugly car.
Yeah, and I agree with Fireman.
100%. So I don't know what we're gonna start with. Let's do
that mint green Mazda RX-7. Is there an RX-9 and an RX-10?
I don't know.
Is there an RX-6 and an RX-5?
Yeah, look at that.
That's a nice green, bro. I like that.
It is. It's like a pearl.
Yeah, it's a pearl lime green.
Different angles, you can see that.
Yeah. That is nice.
So I'm going to keep these cards. There's a reason why these cards are being kept. So we'll go over that in the next.
The rotary motor.
Is that what the RX stands for?
Oh, the RX?
I have no clue.
I know rotary. I don't know what the X means.
I think they're redoing the rotary engine too, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
You know why? Because if you look at it, it's that triangle that spins, right?
Yeah.
And if you look at Iron Man, his chest, you know, triangle inside too, that powers him.
Oh yeah, but he doesn't have a rotary heart.
Yeah, I know, but get on triangle, okay?
Let's go to the McLaren.
Let's! And it's a Forza. See, we read the package. So I guess this is a new model.
Yeah, well...
Because it says it on the package.
Is that a new model?
Yeah.
No, it's new for 2019.
Yeah, new for 2019. So it is a new model.
I like this popsicle kind of orange.
You mean pumpkin orange?
Pumpkin, whatever. Add white, it'll be popsicle.
Pumpkin orange, bro.
I think I saw somebody do some painting upgrades to it, and it looks completely different.
Yeah, for some reason, ugly colors on $2-3 million cars is just okay. It matches.
Yeah. Nobody really wants. It's a weird color. There's some
Lau green.
There are some
fire hydrant yellow.
There are some exotics with some weird colors.
Yeah, like what is some of them get battleship gray, like nasty, bro. What is that?
Tacomas have battleship gray. I would do that.
I will have no comment on that.
And they
metallic gray, okay, but regular opaque gray, no.
I have metallic gray, but I would do the battleship gray.
The regular opaque gray.
It's non-metallic.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would do the non-metallic.
I will no longer be your friend if you do that.
It only looks good when you upgrade the car, the truck, with extras.
Okay, so we didn't even say what that is. We were too busy talking about your Tacoma.
That's why. So this has the moving parts.
That's why.
You remember that? My
friend used to scoldings.
My friend used to say that all the time in college. Whenever somebody's like talking, it's like, "You, that's why." Or your face. You know why? Why? Your face. Stupid humor. This one has a movable front though. That's for track, that's why. You know, when it goes in the loops.
Yeah.
Then I have a low front. It'll get stuck. So I thought I made it a moving part, and I think it also features that on the back of the card. See that? A little out of focus.
Ah, there it is.
It just got
right there.
Moving parts. I still like the Mustang. I'm not a big fan of this one. I probably feel better if I change the wheels on it. But I'll still collect it, and maybe upgrade the lights so that there's color. Okay, next one. Well, it doesn't compare to this.
Oh, of
Mustang,
course.
though.
Yeah,
This.
that just blows everything but the McLaren away.
Well, and we do have a Bugatti we're gonna open.
Well, that's just gonna make all of them look dumb. But this Mustang
this one.
comes in a really, really close.
Because this is a recolor.
It's like first half.
This is recolor, right?
The
The other one was
blue. Yeah. But this one is nice because it's a metallic.
Yeah, just like a metallic.
It's a nice metallic. You know, why they never make that the damn treasure hunt, the Super? They make that ugly thing over there on Super. What is that? What's that?
Morris Mini.
God, that's nasty.
This is what Urkel drove.
I believe.
No, actually, he had a Mini, but it was a different.
That Mustang that should have been the Super. If they had that in the Super, I'd be a $200 car, bro.
Let's go to this.
The Caucasian Batmobile.
Yeah. The Caucasian Persuasion.
Yes. Well, it was in Hawaii.
I have no.
Holy, no, I was just kidding.
Okay, we're gonna have to cut that out.
All right, this is the Bone Batmobile, the Bone White. I'm just making that up, but doesn't it sound a lot better? Bone White.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
too bad it's plastic.
yeah,
I'm not feeling the plastic body. All these tumblers are plastic, bro.
I think they had to do this with the tumbler because of all the intricacies.
It's a big word you're using there, man.
But I don't understand why they had to put fenders. Like that.
Oh yeah, the auto never have fenders.
No,
that's right.
no, all of them do.
Not.
Yeah, all the tumblers have. They have.
In the movie, he had fenders.
No, the Hot Wheels.
No, that's what I was talking about. In the movie, he didn't have fenders.
No, you didn't say movie. Yeah, the real one doesn't have.
Yeah, see,
It looks better without.
You, that's why.
You confused me.
Your face.
Yeah. Is that gonna be a new thing? We'll bring that back.
Yeah.
I hope he doesn't watch this video.
What about not?
Okay.
Yeah. So.
But yeah.
Okay.
I think it would have been better without the fenders, though.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm gonna open that off screen. This is a favorite of mine. It goes all the way back to the 70s. The TV show Emergency. I've always loved it. I wanted to be a paramedic growing up. So, I had this one as a kid, just red, with the black balls. I wish I kept it. That would have been cool. But I have no clue what happened to all my stuff.
Your motto and Chomo,
I'll surely give it to somebody else. All right. Bitterness is over. Let's look at the car.
Bitterness is over.
And we didn't open the premium one, yeah?
I don't think we did.
I think I have it on the side to open.
Yes, we were saving it for a special occasion.
When you get the whole set.
Yeah.
Because I think I found the Target Red version.
Yeah. I know you found a bunch of them.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
I saw some restorations of these on other YouTube channels, and it's really, really nice. Unfortunately, these are now plastic bodies.
All plastic.
So it's gonna be harder to strip paint off of plastic.
Yeah.
Without it melting.
You know what I think? I think that's what Hot Wheels is probably going into. They're slowly bleeding in certain models in plastic. Hopefully they don't start replacing them all because that'll suck.
Well, this one, it has a metal base, so this one probably.
Well, unless you have your cars upside down, it doesn't.
No, it probably speeds on the track.
Oh, if you can use it for the track, maybe, but because you got to be fast in case one of the cars wreck, right? Then they got to pull the little guy out and put out the fake fire and stuff like that.
They got to get there fast, right?
Yeah, they got to get there fast. You know what I mean? And if the blue light don't work, then what?
You turn on the red.
Then you grab the Batmobile and you put them on with these fenders.
And
all right,
not the last one, but definitely this is not the least.
The Sub-Boo.
Hey, this is a good angle right
Got
here.
it.
I didn't see that it was kind of flaked. It's
It's got a big C on it.
Oh yeah, look at that. It is a flaky. Let's get it open.
You notice the C, right? And why? Because it's called the
Chiron.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, why is it? What, they couldn't make one of the most expensive cars on the planet metal?
No, it is metal. Plastic base.
Oh.
That's what I was looking at when I had it in between the two cameras. It is metal. It's really nice.
Why did they make that design? Because it's Chiron.
For some reason, taking it out of the package made it look a lot lighter blue. Right?
No, when you took it out of the package, it looked less metallic-y.
Right. In the package, it looks dark blue. Put that in there. Let's zoom out a little. Is it just me? Or it could be just the lighting, because the lighting can hit it better.
No, it's just you.
Yeah, it's probably just me.
Maybe something wrong with your face.
You this why. I don't think anybody's gonna catch on to it.
Probably not.
Is these idiots? Oh, Fireman also said it for smoking the Hawaiian gardenia. Like,
no, Fireman, we're not doing that.
But that would have explained why in that, because that video you dropped something, the camera stopped recording.
Oh, that one, okay.
And that video went up today, and we're filming this that night. So.
It's not the Hawaiian gardenia, okay? It's the plumeria is the one the milk from the plumeria tree.
That's poisonous.
What?
Okay, so I think I'm gonna open this.
You can open that?
Yeah, I like the Hot Wheels race team. I do because of the blue colors.
You should have auctioned that off.
And I'm pretty sure it's not gonna get that much.
Yeah, at least one guy might want it for some reason.
Oh look, I didn't notice it has a Michelin Man.
Well, now that there's a Michelin Man, now you gotta open it now.
So let's rip it open. Oh, there it is.
The gold flame. Oh, that was stereo, bro, right there, bro.
Oh, that wasn't on camera. There you go. I do like the color though.
What's a nice color?
Yeah, and yeah, would I have done it on this car? Probably not. Would have made this one a super? Also, probably not. But it's still gonna go in my collection. And the little TH is right there on the hood.
Mm-hmm.
This car's a pretty good weight. Alright, so that's our super treasure hunt from the PKs.
All right. Okay, so here's the dealios now, peoples. If you like our videos and you like what we do, don't forget to subscribe and like. And don't forget to hit the bell. We are
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
Hey, all you new guys out there, all you new viewers, check out the end screen. You'll see links to our previous videos and a video YouTube thinks you'll like and one we think you should watch. So go check that out. And while you're doing that homework, we're going to be busy making more videos. We out of here.